Alright, in this example we're going to find the location of the horizontal centroidal axis with respect to the base. It only asks for that one and not the vertical because there's an obvious axis asymmetry that is at the mid-base location. So we're only looking for the one that is horizontal. Right? And so we have a 24-inch high rectangle, 12 inches wide, and so it makes sense that the centroid can't be any more than at mid-height. We're removing this area here, so it'll sink down just a little bit. And so here's the axis that we're really looking for. And so from the base, let's establish that as our datum. We're looking then for y bar. Right? And we're going to do that with the first moment of area, that y bar times a has to be equal to the sum of the individual first moments of area, the individual being the various areas. Right? And so what we'll do is we'll call area 1 will be our 12-inch by 24-inch rectangle, and area 2 will be the 3-inch radius circle. Right, so let's go figure out what we've got here. Right, number 1, let's find our area. That would be the total area, and so that will be, of course, A equals 12 inches by 24 inches, and that will be 288, right? 12 times 24, 288 square inches. That's A1. A2 is then pi r squared, so pi times 3 inches squared equal 9 pi square inches. So our net area will be A1 minus 82 because we're removing that double count there, so 288 square inches minus 9 pi square inches minus 9 times pi, and that is 259.725. Let's not get crazy here. 259.7 square inches. Alright, so now let's find the y bar. And so we'll go execute what we've got here. Y bar equals the sum of the y bar a i's over the total, and that will be, let's take the first one being the big rectangle, area 1. That's going to be at a distance of 12 inches from the base, half the height, right, times 288 square inches minus the, let's see, the hole is centered at 6 inches up from the base, times then that area, A2, which was 9 pi square inches. That minus is critical. We're removing that part and then dividing by the whole area, 259.7 square inches. So let's go at it. 12 times 288 minus 6 times 9 times pi equals 3286 inches cubed, divided by our total area, 259.72566 inches, and we get in area, our y bar equals 12.65 inches. Oh, hey, wait a minute. That's larger than mid-height. Oh, what was I doing? Right, now, did I make that mistake to just help illustrate a point, or to did I just make a mistake? Not telling you. Hey, you know, if this had been solid rectangle, this would have been at mid-height 12 inches. Removing area from below will lift up the center of the cross-section, not lower it. Right? I'm not adding area down here or adding something more dense. I'm lifting that by getting rid of material. So actually, this makes more sense that it has gone up. It's above mid-height. Again, I'm not going to tell you if that was a real mistake or whether it was just to set you up to think about this.